Hey nail babes, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you for coming by. I'm doing this really cute set today, and I really think you guys are going to enjoy this because this is one of my favorites. So this is the box and it comes from Amazon. I do have the link down below if you guys are interested. I also have another box, but I'm not going to be using it because I like my nails wild, and the other one was a little bit more conservative. But I'm going to have both boxes down below so you can kind of go through them and see what you like better. But guys, this nail set I'm in love with. I thought it was so beautiful. I just love this kind of stuff. It's, the time of the year to wear fun nails, so why not? As always, the box is full of all the equipment that you'll need. You can use your own stuff, but you could use theirs. These are little sticky pads. They come in different sizes for each nail. They're really great. I would use these for a short term, like a night or two. Maybe you just got a party to go to for the night. You don't want to wear these nails every day. These are better if you got to do that. And then everything else, of course, that comes in, all the tools and stuff that you got to use. But for long term, you want glue. Let's just get a close-up so you guys can just see how adorable these are. These are so cute. I just love them. So as always, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start sizing our nails. This is a very important step. You do not want to be doing this at the end when you're doing glue, when you're using the glue. It's going to be a disaster if you wait until the end to do this. You want to do this ahead of time because number one, you want to size your nails, and number two, you want to set your design. Maybe you want both hands to look completely different. Maybe you want them to be as identical as possible. You need to just take your time and go through every finger and see what fits and see how you want your set to look. If you come across a nail that's too big, just take your file and file the edges and it'll fit. For my middle finger, I could not get a nail that fit. Everything was either too big or too small. So I just had to take this nail and file it down a little bit so it could fit. I didn't mean to put that on my thumb. It's for my middle finger. And you'll be fine. Just do that. Once you're done with sizing your nails, put everything back in the box because this box comes with 30 pieces. So you're definitely going to have more than enough. And just put them away for another day for you to mix it up with maybe another set, for whatever. Then we're going to start pushing our cuticle back. As always, this is part of the prep. Like I always say to you guys, if you don't prep your nails, it doesn't matter. Your nails are not going to last. The prep job is the most important thing for you to do when applying any kind of nails. Then once you've pushed the cuticles back, you're going to come here with a cuticle bit and you're going to clean up as much as you possibly can. You're really going to get in those edges. You're creating a really nice round nail, to give it a really clean look. And then what I love about this bit is that not only does it really get in the crevices, but it also helps with hangnails. I have a little hangnail here in the corner, and with this bit, I'm actually going to remove it. So this is a really great tool because it's perfection. Do this to all your nails. Use this bit because it's really going to get in there and clean it up. Once you've done that, take a fine sanding bit and go over your nail to cause grit. Now let me show you guys something. This is a tip. You see how if you don't anchor your pinky, you're kind of wobbling. It's really all over the place. It's hard. Always anchor your pinky. When you anchor your pinky, you're going to get full control of what you're doing. When you're finished, dust your nails and take your dehydrator. You can also use the alcohol wipe that they have. Apply this to all the fingers because you want your nails to be as dry as possible. You don't want oil. Don't forget this step. This is a crucial step. File your nails to remove the smoothness, the shine off of your press-ons. Then take your glue. This is my favorite glue. If you have a glue that you think is better, use it. But this is what I use. I love this glue. I apply it generously to my finger. Don't get it on your skin, or try not to. Sometimes it does fall on the skin, but keep it on your nail and apply your nail, your press-on nail, and hold it down for a little bit. This glue dries really fast, so you just have to hold it down for a little bit. A little goes a long way. And once you've done that, repeat the process onto your next nail. Apply a generous amount all over the nail. Once you've done that, take your nail, and you see how it's important to have everything just set aside. See how easy it is. We're just pressing, we're pulling and pressing because we already did all the prep work. And press it down and do this to all your nails. Hold it down for a little bit so that glue really adheres. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. If you watch my videos, you know how it is. This is what we do. Look how cute these nails look. I guarantee you that when you go out with these nails, you're definitely going to get a lot of ahs and wows and oohs. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask below. And thank you guys. Bye.